So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So Ivan my people and Blamdem link up on live, and Blamdem like him a push fire when it come to the gifter we are look Ivan. Remember me telling about a gifter we are look Ivan. I mean I tell you say yo and Ivan type that is like Ivan play the game with him. You know what I mean? Him a try woo Ivan because him send her all champion and sitting in our people. But guess what? Ivan don't want him because she have a type. You see me? And as a man, me I tell you, a woman is not to be bought. You see me I say? You have to catch that woman there. You see it? If you buy her, you not have her. So if you catch her now, I fear. You see it? So me go share with all of my people the conversation with Blamdem and Ivany, and Ivany put up something on her Tik Tok, and I make the gifter we a try buy her or whatever know say the gift them we a try buy her out with, she use that gift money there to buy her Benz just like for her one, for her man, cause she and the man never left. So I go share all of that my people. Blamdem and Rosealee and Raja they on live my people. Raja and Rosealee out eating. Raja me say no. Raja and Rosealee out eating. You hear me say Raja. Raja and Rosealee always at it. Them out eating. And that's why I tell you say yo, you see when it come to these persons on TikTok, don't buy out none of them argument with them off and take the side and I say this and that and because you are gonna share them at the end of the day. I go share that with all of my people. Also Blamdem ask Rosealee I love Niam so. You see me? But people, Rosealee get fatter since Rosealee up on TikTok still, you know. Big Rosealee get, you know. You see me? She have to watch the eating still. You know what I mean? And bling X money and all my people. I say him want Annie. You see it? Same love of Annie and one bag of something I see him. So him did the same love of Rosealee before him and Bling start link up. You know what I mean? So I want to tell me if this youth is a cloud chaser or what. Because you can't see Annie with much picnic. I have man problem, I have all different type of things, and you still want to go in a woman life, go create more problem. Cause I know him not really want her like that. He maybe want her for the little clout where she have right now, and she in the space right now and I go viral. He want her for now. That's just my opinion still, cause him can like her genuinely, cause nothing wrong with her. You see me? But me I go share that with Uno. I want to tell me what you think my people. You see me? We also have Blamdem bring down the lion man, and also him have something to say about squash. You know what I mean? Because he must say yo in top disrespect squash. Me tell you yo, when we hear Blamdem say that, me I say John, it look like say, you know what I mean, him have something to go on for him, and him do not want no bad karma to take him, because you are trouble a man in a situation where, you know what I mean, it's a, you would say, what I call it, you know, it's a mess up situation for lack of words, you know what I mean, so you know what, the same thing reach you, because you know say you do things we can end up in that situation there too. That's why I'm not rejoice. But we are going to get in that my people. I don't know if I left out anything, but these are some of the things, or maybe all of the things we have to share with you know. And maybe add more things as we go along, so we could kick it off.
page. You see the road to superstar something? It a end in a 4 days, so it not end yet, you know. My page now come back till tomorrow 10 a.m. You think them all put me back in it? When me check your ranking pan it, me did a number 9, me not the panic, me drop out because me get banned. But since it a end in a 4 days, me want to know if them put me back panic or me I go start all over and me go see tomorrow. We fight hard for going out, you know. Cha-cha. Always up, something always up. Never again me I go learn. Never again me I go learn. Guys, my back hurt me. Bumbuka. Hey. Oh my God. Mahal? Na floor naman. I have to make sure it's on the scrubbing. I'm buckle up my first my back now. Blamdem call you.
Hey, one thing doing you have to give Ivany this. Ivany is a clean freak, you know. Is a girl who loves see her place clean, and me have to come in her about that. All her ways there and you know what I mean, the other things about her, you have to give her the props here. You see me? Is a girl who place ever clean. You know what I mean? And she love to clean up her place and nice up her place. You see it? So I have to give her that. So I could go and watch some more with people.
I'm there. I'm tired of fuck.
Making sure you're not a transmission.
I said, don't play with me. Why you need to see my neck?
I was just making sure that you're not a transmission.
Are you a transmission? Because you ain't showing your face.
No, I'm not. I'm a guy.
Oh, okay.
I will find this a Yankee.
Now I'll go me find him.
I wish
Y'all just see a pretty woman and don't even know what to do, right?
No, it's not that, man. In Jamaica, there's a lot of transmission sending people.
Okay, well, I don't look like no damn transmission.
No, I never say.
I don't look like no damn transmission.
I never say you look like transmission, sweetheart.
Okay, well then don't ask me that. Don't ask me that stupid ass question.
The transmission look like you.
Don't ask me that stupid ass question.
But listen, you know the transmission they buy breasts and everything, and they look like a real woman, so you have to be careful. But they can't hide.
That's facts.
The only way you could figure it out by looking under their neck. So that's why I always make sure.
That's facts. But
in Jamaica,
no, you listen. You don't ask nobody to see their neck.
Talk.
You could ask them if they are or if they're not. But
they're gonna lie. Listen, I be seeing a lot of Jamaican. They mash up their career by flirting with transmission. I don't want that.
So then you ask if they are or if they're not.
They're gonna say even when they're dead, they're gonna say no. They lie. They lie a lot.
Bro said transmission. Know. Like, what is he even talking about?
Tell my chat to tell you. People go tell him what transmission mean. Ivany, tell him what transmission mean.
Me if you should go start with me, I have to go boomer.
You have to be careful, ma'am. You're beautiful. I'm so glad you're not a you're not a transmission, right?
Don't play with me, stupid ass nigga.
No, why are you?
Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
All right.
Stop asking me that question after I told you to stop asking me that question.
All right.
Will you ask her if she a man, or you ask her if you see her neck?
Yeah, sorry if you see her neck.
He asked to see my neck.
So how you know them by their neck?
Remember say man neck push out. Man have a tonsil push out. Woman have a flat tonsil.
Oh.
Y'all have so much attitude? I don't give a damn. I have as I want. This is my TikTok.
She don't understand, that's why she feel offended. He wanted to see.
I understand what he's saying.
You know why he said want to see your neck? Because
he said it's a lot of transmissions in Jamaica. But I told him I'm
not in Jamaica. Not in Jamaica. On TikTok.
You know that thing that the man has? I don't know what the name is.
It's called an Adam's apple, baby.
Yeah, he wanted to see if you have that.
And I told him I'm not one, and then he asked again. That's why I said.
Oh, I'm not gonna ask again. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I like you. It's because I'm nervous. You're too beautiful.
Shit. We know.
I get nervous when I see pretty girl.
We know.
I'm sorry. Can you follow me, please?
All right.
Please follow me. You're beautiful. I'm Blamdem from Jamaica. I'm famous down there. I could bust you in Jamaica. So
what are you eating?
Let me bust you. Come.
That's good, boo. You're not the only famous person I know.
No, Ivany is famous.
What should I eat?
What? Oh, this is an acai bowl.
We're gonna bust you in Jamaica. Jamaican, you're gonna.
Your barbz twanging.
I'm already bossed up. I'm already bossed up. I don't need a man to boss me up. Thank you.
Oh. Who you too?
What?
Who you too?
I don't know what that means.
So what you know? So
I don't know what that means.
What you eating?
Acai bowl.
Oh, can I get some?
Nope, because you call me a transmission.
No, I didn't call you I'm sorry, I didn't call you a Chan Mission. So you want me to flop in Jamaica? You want me to mash up my career all because of a woman? I won't have a career. No one will watch me anymore because they're gonna say that I'm with Chan's Mission. So I have to make sure. You can't blame me for that.
He's friends with Nicki Minaj. Y'all, respectfully, I don't give a damn. I don't know why y'all telling me that. Like celebrities are regular people with money. I don't know why y'all like be telling me about all these damn celebrities. I don't give a damn.
Ivany want me a good.
Bro, why are you playing with them?
Say that.
I like her.
Me like her, yeah, me like her.
Yeah, me like her.
Me like how she face it too. I like the way you faced it. I'm like, oh my God, I'm flattered.
I like her.
I'm flattered.
Me like her.
No, me like her. Two of we like her, so we can work out.
So okay, so what do y'all do? What do y'all do?
We do live, TikTok live. What we do? Tell me what we do, Ivany.
If
like,
we need to tell you that we're influencers, the Jamaicans are gonna come and say we don't influence anybody. I think, I don't know what to say.
Oh, okay. So you guys are internet influencers, though.
Yeah, we TikTokers. We do TikTok.
Okay.
So where in California you from? You don't follow me back. Follow me back, sweetheart, so I could come in your DM and look you.
Nope, because you called me a transmission.
So you don't want a Jamaican man in your life, in your hole?
No, they're toxic.
Who tell you that? No, Jamaican, the one you met is toxic. I'm not toxic. The one you met is
no, y'all dangerous and y'all toxic.
No, Jamaican people not go so. I lie. You're lying.
Then I have a very specific type.
All right, you follow me back, please.
I have a very specific type.
We not getting hype then. Come on, Ivany, because we not getting hype.
I'm gonna follow you, beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you back.
Later.
Bye.
Me like her, guys. Me like her. Me like her.
No, like, no, wait. We not give no hype, because no, follow me if me can go in and DM, so you know work. You got name out.
So I don't follow you?
No, I don't. Me not bust him.
So we go get a girl easy for you. Red blood club.
You follow you, Ivany?
Yes, follow me.
Allah, you tell. Oh.
I'm screenshot for you.
No, you don't have a screenshot, me know, man.
Follow me. She nice.
She nice, man. I show, man. Probably I should me call him Chan. If me didn't call him transmission, he don't like me. I should me call him. But me have to ask him, I don't want to go flirt with transmission, Ivan.
Remember, say, man, them are foreign, pretty like them, you know.
Yeah, I back and explain to her for me. For she talk for me.
You want to talk to her?
Yeah, I tell her, say, explain to her and tell her, say.
She not take the talk, you know.
It's not your more team, mama, then. Not add him back. After me, I blame them, I celebrate her. Yeah, celebrate her. After man, nobody.
But yeah, look him do, you see?
If he did there with me, my somebody, but he not there with me, so man, nobody.
So you da look her then?
Yeah, but Ivany, can we finalize the deal now, car?
Yes, sir.
We say you ready for your match, want me to go on team instead of Rosealee? You see me, Ivany, me go on team instead of Rosealee, because nobody now support Rosealee. Rosealee,
just tell me say she a play.
No, but Rosealee now smoke, and me I play.
Oh God, so all Rosealee have a feeling?
No, me not busy boy feelings. You not go ball. You don't care about Rosealee. What is a Rosealee?
Hey, you see Blamdem is a hypocrite, you know. We are telling you know people. At least him admit to it still, you know what I mean? Him tell people say I'm a hypocrite, so I know nothing new. You see what I say? So him telling Ivany, like him at this Rosealee, I put down Rosealee for Ivany. Well, at the end of the day, me know say Ivany know say she not believe nothing we Blamdem I say. Cause Blamdem we switch pan her just like how he switch pan Rosealee. You see me I say? You go watch some more.
Not care about Rosealee feelings.
What?
Not care about Rosealee feelings. Any wagon we are flying me work with.
I hope if me not come with the smoke, you don't trace me. They said don't follow Blamdem. Lima telling just confirm it.
Confirm which bomber car was. There was not confirm. I lie them tell. I'm here play.
Port of chat.
Rosealee, one way have over there, Eddie and Apple. And West.
Eddie.
Eh?
I own him Eddie.
Yeah, Well, let me own him Eddie. Eddie, no one you gift to them.
When I work with the feds, me can't flirt for gift. Me can't work.
Oh, so Eddie, why you flirt for gift?
Yeah, give me a gift, me the flirting thing now work. I keep it warm, you know.
Then you know say, say a cruff you like. You know like man with money.
Me a key, me like him for that rich.
No, cruff. You don't know that.
Yeah, Yankee man them when I have nothing at them.
Eddie, you stop at the wrong bus stop. You need to move in forward. This a bus stop you like cruff and poor people. Tell him Ivany.
I'm flirting nobody finna give me sorry.
Oh, that's why I see my shoot for your enemy, Aishana.
I'm there on the phone. Mama man style because she see me and the girl go argue one night or two. Me know it's like them other things to the internet, but me not.
You know what? You say my feds.
You know say.
Me not trouble.
You know say people them believe say things say me and the man there for true.
Eh?
All them this as bad. Not be true you me I say husband. I'm first say me a husband I'm a run with it. And the man not dead none tall for true. The man just shoot for me and the man there nothing.
So that means that me gift to them or something to them.
Man, I look me, no, me not that me have a type, you know, me like skinny, tall, brown man.
Eh, I lie. You know, so me skinny, I'm tall, me tall and brown too, right?
Nobody can draw me up.
I'm your type. I like cruff too.
I know all of my Yankee they want me take do a 95, some more they say my profile.
That's true.
They are the 95.
Oh.
I didn't go to work now.
So the man a cruff then go work.
Yeah, they are the 95. Cruff a smarty when I have no work none at all. Blamdem shorter than Nicki Minaj. But me see a little, I lie, me see Blamdem on picture, Blamdem tall.
Me taller than Nicki Minaj, man. I want Nicki Minaj, I tell oh God, Nicki Minaj I want good for me. I don't know if it's not Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj I want blessing now, youth. I love Nicki Minaj so much. Words can't explain the love when me have for Nicki Minaj. Oh God, youth, one Nicki Minaj. People, everybody comment one Nicki Minaj. You see, bro, I don't know if it talk, bro. I don't know if it talk loyalty and love, you know. But that's why I say I not talk. The love when me have for Nicki Minaj, I can't even explain it, bro. Nicki Minaj, bro, I want good person, bro. I want Nicki Minaj badness, man. No other badness. Words, she not fi over here for me bigger up, you know. Me pick up Nicki Minaj every day.
And Nicki Minaj Jamaican dawg.
One Liga, one Savvy, Rich Talent, Nicki Minaj, Red Ruby, Kartel, one Savvy, all of Jelly side, all of them. Jelly side probably, oh God, Jelly side them a good person, dog. All of them, name them, won't comment their name. Sometimes they not even have it there for me big them up without the end of the day, dog. They are good people, bro. Me have a strong team, bro, and they love me. Hazel I want good person to that. Boy, rough youth. Big up me gift to them youth. And me support them.
Yeah, I big up who them for.
Bro, me people them loyal, you know, bro. And that with my people, you know. Then they are with me every day, you know. Right now, they want good person too. This I want good person. Big up this. Chris Future, a good youth.
Keep the people them where they with you from the start. No dash where you all for you.
DJ Recross, yeah man, Bumbleclad. You see DJ Recross, bro, them man they are real youth, bro. Them man they are gonna shoot no matter what, man. Them man they are real youth, dog. DJ Recross, big up DJ Recross. Them man they are real youth. People know no man. Red Ruby, Empress. Yeah man, Empress a good person too. Big up Empress.
Oh, man, tapping eyes in our place and go in your bed.
One Sav, you get one cloud and one gloves. Dizzy, you get one gloves and one hammer.
I don't know show Rosealee there.
Yeah. Me tell you, see one day me and Jayden, they want me have a weak team so they can win me.
Two Batman them.
Two Batman them. Then believe if they win, they take me down. Punky I want good person to big up Punky.
Sure.
They believe that's why they choose rosealee. They want, but me not look for me in a business, bro. Me know that then depend, but me not care. Then take Tik Tok serious. Me not care about Tik Tok.
But me play my
They believe say when they bomb.
Hey people, if you tell you the truth still, you know, me don't know how Nicki Minaj just like take on to Blamdem, so you know. But me not tell you no lie. Nicki Minaj have a love for Blamdem differently. You see me? Because all when she don't really dip on TikTok like that, like, you know what I mean, a join in a box or whatever, she still a give Blamdem up to this day. You see it? So, I can watch some more.
Clark win me then take me down. How that take me down? I look for my money more than my pocket. I look for the drunk. All they mind take me car. First thing they can't take me spot because I'm different. Me cuss. Me know how to run the internet. Me can't just cuss and that. By me talk people love me.
You believe, sir, from 2015 the match cancel me?
And they can't. I tell them where they, you know, force somebody they can't cancel by you. Blamdem.
No, me are running.
Ivany, Jayden, and Rosealee. You can't cancel Rosealee. Rosealee last somebody to get cancelled by you, man.
All them I try them can. You can't cancel somebody just so.
Don't for cancel.
Why do you cancel them off of fear blood clot food? Where you go convince another man?
Where if you cancel kill these people?
This is to convince people for cancel people. So instead of want people to get cancelled.
Every day you want to see them cancel Rosealee and Rosealee don't do them no.
What's the thing of bookings?
They want,
bookings alone get cancelled.
everybody scenarios. Everybody scenarios.
And I said, me just don't
Trench God, big up. Yeah, man, Trench God, I real you. To big up Trench God.
Yeah.
Trench God, big up yourself. Ocean. Eh?
Me just don't clean from the head up today, no?
Eh?
Blood clot. I minute the pause.
That's good.
You just spend on my life and pull on.
Man, Eddie call I spy, you know. She must.
Me call my feds if they know my police. And if me got ice report and I come back at him, then happen.
Why, but Ivan, me think you should give him peace.
I must be mad, God, that them so many case put the chain for me and I'm so big belly black man. I like skinny boys, I mean I like big man.
Not for money, I lie.
For a minute, nobody can give me, you know. So nobody can say me take nobody give and use them at them. Pop up on my page and give me. Oh. So no.
Everybody, that guy that here tell us right now.
No, run it down the story then.
I him tell us in my that day. Now I mean the whole lot that Ivan, Lord that.
Me not feel good make it. Let me say it time I get locked up by black now.
Lord that alone Ivan, man no follow him up on that man, love him alone, make it time. You don't want to go to Ivan, you know, sometimes you have to build, you see me, you don't want them people care, you know. You know your address. You know your address, Ivan.
Hey, you come Atlanta, come carry me to dinner.
Eh?
I'm buying something, you know, I'm gonna drink it. I will drink it something right now.
Never know you know your address, Ivan. Rascal.
Hey, you know that, man, you know that.
You know see a fair time, you're mad, you know.
Buy me this.
Oh God, Eddie buy that? Eddie is a good man. Ivan, it's sometime I know who you want, you know who want you. Me think of it all.
You know well me alright.
Ivan, listen to me. Put the champagne, man, make me see. And drink it. Ivan, let me tell you this, I know who you want, you know who want you. Tell him, man, a good boy, like you take care of you. Deal with him, man, Ivan. Me think you have to deal with him.
Me alright, me have more.
Alright, go on, Ivan. You don't think you're right in your head.
Me have who me want.
So, Ivan, you know, see where cross them the over years.
Me like it. Support busting on my face.
That because I give I drink give Aisha and you say you get corrupt, man.
You get what?
You get corrupt, man.
Bro, I know every day Eddie come give me, you know. And let me tell you something. Before Eddie come, who used to give me?
Oh, Apple.
Before Apple too. Before Apple and Eddie come give up on the internet. Who used to give me?
I don't remember.
All of my sensation them. money still I make. So anyway, come give me, nothing, it not make a difference. And if him come give me and left, that's all I know. I want thing, me not boast about gift. The man say me I am wife, I'm just run with the flow. Me never.
Ivany, you know fireball.
Listen, let me tell you something. My name never call up in a gifting, cussing over gift, and it will never happen. Me not join them. There's something they never scroll on any For You page. You never hear me a cuss about gift, and it never go happen.
One Savvy, you get a gloves again and a lightning. Hot skull Timmy, you get a lightning and a hammer.
Why you could tell me say I saw it go?
Eh.
I force my boss one out.
It not it ground. It run over.
Whoa, man, I heard you.
Drink your man, drink your champagne with Eddie by you. Whoa, you're good up man Eddie.
Me not drinking, I'm not really drink.
You're good man Eddie. You're good man Eddie by your champagne. Whoa.
Bradley.
Deal man, Ivany, me think you have to deal with him good. Cause friend him might take care of you. You know, say he work for government, a good man that figure papers.
Lad, Lego that no? Like telling you know.
True.
You know what? Listen, me no want the top. You gonna make them screen record me know like me a cuss over gift and give people power.
No, Ivany, me never say I cuss over gift. Me just put it.
No, me never say you. Me say people them all screen record. No.
We gonna take they know say nothing.
I say me a cuss over gift when me before me cuss over gift me go look at work.
True.
Come on, fire up. My name call up on gifting and who give food. My name never call up on him something there and you know go work. When I care what man want to give, me never give them money put them. I get my evidence them and I take it my key, no sorry, I say good.
They could so I bet you come with me mind then man more than the mind man.
Me I buy key now and Benz. Me and him go match out. Oh, another phone I have phone.
I want to buy key now and Benz too.
Me have the SUV and him have the car. You like it?
I bet you come with me, come buy me it.
It's up on my page. Go and go look.
Go on there with me. I buy key no.
Oh, me I buy key now.
No, me get can't come there with me. I buy.
Why you not go there with the blood clot girl where you look a while ago, eh?
Alright, so watch this now, my people. To all of the man them we see a woman and like her, I want talk to her and something you feel like say yo, she don't really want you or whatever, so you use like money, gifts and them something if you try woo her and try get her. You see me, you see any woman where you try if you buy out, make sure say you just want a 1 or 2 knockoff fight and I eat that. But don't buy a woman for deal with for life. You see me, say you really want in a relationship with them. You see me? And you see, when it comes to Ivany, you know, Ivany like what she like. And no matter what you do, she gonna like what she like. You see me? Me have a scenario, my people. Not really a scenario, example. Alright, yo, me see this thing here on the internet where say a woman will left a man with money for a man who can walk them right and go live in a one little mash down place because they love that the man they will walk them right. But a man will left a woman with the tightest something. No, a man will left a woman will have money for a woman. You know, a man will left a woman with the tightest something for a woman. We have a big sitting with money. You see what I say? So let that sink in. Never you try to impress a woman by, you know what I mean, money or something, but you have a thing when you're chivalrous still, you know. You know what I mean, when you do nice things for your woman and, you know what I mean, give her gifts and them something there. But you have to know the borderline between that and buying a woman. But maybe know what I think, my people.
Why not? Go on to she. Go make she buy yourself furniture if you not care some money.
Ivany, but you know something like if it's true in a real life, you know if you did me so still.
Move on, go.
Ivany, you know if you did something like you.
Well, me not like you. Me have who me have already. Go and tell your bubble locks girl them. Yes. So
I feel like every day with Keenan, every day with
I want furthermore me and Keenan a blood clot. The Keenan a batty man. A batty man that.
Yo, the two of me have a rate, I can't see him.
Him can't go and go for see him a blood clot look for teeth. Man, I don't know if we make him teeth tonight, you know. Oh.
Yo, people, people, the time you have me an Ivany no match. When you hear Ivany say,
I don't want him for true.
yo, Ivan just tell the people say like him and he love Keenan.
I think them got blood clot got miss so. Man, tapping eyes here, man.
No, me say, people, you don't tell me you have me an Ivany no match. Yes, every two of me can't tame. Ivany just a big up Keenan.
Blood clot, lizard face looking boy. Boy, for a lizard guy come. Blood clot dividends, I must say mad.
Yeah, you want to run in here look at dividends, eh?
I chop him in, fuck you say? Me said, you don't know something over here. Next time I go out there, I try to use the key for pull my carry gun.
Eh. Your Benz truck.
And me take you Uber all night for anything, you know?
Eh.
Oh.
You put on insurance for the Ivany or something?
Of course, I see me I need that.
How much a month for insurance?
Nah, talk my business, that's so.
No, suppose me can help you make insurance cheaper.
No, I'm insurance cheap. Hello, me have money friend, me have good friend, me have good people and everything. Me know nobody here.
Oh, me never know. Me not say 40 then.
Yeah, I have a blood clot friend we work in a care mart and them place there.
You don't have to say 40 then, man.
Me have money for pay big money for insurance a month. So big case me not have none. Them now know nothing about my vehicle. All I see them I try know. Them could have taken down on my license plate and try to find me that different address that them is me 10 step ahead of them people.
Look, Ivan, listen to me. I'm here to play match sugar. We now use rosealee.
Yeah?
I'm here to go play up on team. Tell the people say I have a match tomorrow.
So I'm to let me add rosealee. Cause I'm not confusing but
wait till the match on. Wait till the match on. Cause I don't want to waste the gloves.
Oh man, oh. Guys, what Blamdem and rosealee just Kino is scamming. He must scam and not get that evil bills. Me tell you say Kino broke right now. Uber I'm taking him. He look integral left him on the highway what the you know. And I mean you want for blood clot drive my Benz school. I must see that try rob me out there. I mean no go. And Uber I'm take Uber. I see my post up ball banks not a don't know one fuck where I do.
Cap that.
Nah, I make no money, I tell you somebody but I know I'm doing things.
Well, I mean look how much gloves you get. Don't can see.
Yeah,
You get one. Everything good.
Blamdem today my birthday, I'm there with your bestie. Ziggy in the area, I'm gonna call you.
Oh, she the bestie.
See her there.
Mr.
Your mother call you.
Will.
Your mother call you.
Interesting.
What you done say, Blamdem?
May I say rosealee?
She there right over there, so.
Time to send me a request.
Rose, Blamdem say you have to send him a request.
Blamdem, I want to shut up the phone screen. No.
Billy, big up yourself in a Roger that. A code, man.
You know it come down. Right, where you did it?
I just finished He Who Bands interview.
Yeah,
I want to do the badness with them.
Yo, cuz.
Blamdem.
Yo.
I like no, what cuz?
My cuz.
Yo, cuz, I like
Bad, cuz.
Fatty boy, you're so fatty boy. Fatty boy, you know, you're that's for the badness, my God. No. Everything good.
Mike, when I watch, when I see Batty man, when I look upon them, bro. You see me people. Them boy, they are Batty boy. You don't want me to argue with Batty man? Me not argue with Batty man, me can't do it, people. You see Batty man, me tell 3 smart enough to argue with pine time. Girl, Batty man. 2 smart, girl and Batty man and 3 smart, can't argue with them. First thing I agree with that batty man in Gully say, hey boy, my mama fuck you one night. And you look like a fuck.
Agwan!
Rosealee, what happened?
No,
You good?
yeah.
Believe no man. So where you go with?
Me I try tell the people say tomorrow at the match, me I try my mads them recharge.
Oh. So Rosealee, if you want to tell me something of the team up with you, because you don't smoke, so come good, prove them wrong, yeah?
Yeah.
You must say me enough, so tell them, come with
Why you never team up with me?
because they must say you're going to make me lose, so you know.
How you know that smoke was?
Blamdem just come in and know nothing about me and smoke.
Alright then, so tell them.
You never tell the people them that. Me have WPA me about 10 gloves. You never tell the people them that.
But don't
Them bad man remain of a team up with me.
disappoint them, you see me Rosealee, more you disappoint
You don't know
them.
nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me. Them who them don't know nothing about me. Me have a team.
Alright then.
No know nothing about me.
Yo, look when name catches Ziggy. What go on? My name catches friend.
But true.
Name catches like
John and
that.
Jayden. And I
True,
mean,
I say Red Ruby can support me, and Gold Digger can support me. And Rich Talent.
Who bright and black
Me
red
have a
ruby?
team. I mean, me not have no team.
Who bright and black red ruby?
But no black. Me no know they like a mistake.
Them bright.
But Rose, just come out man and make it up man. You see me Rose and two
You
of them say we have the
me
team.
not shoot over here.
Two of them say I have shooter. Come on, go build up your gloves. Come make you build
Nah,
up
me
your
have 10 gloves already. I share me come for chat.
Come we chat. You chat him while they play. Come.
My dog. I want to food.
10 match. Yo, Ziggy. Yo, Ziggy, cut. Lift up.
No, make him stay.
Oh man.
Lift up.
Go on
Lift
the
up.
fly for me.
Belly,
I'm
belly
responsible to Rosealee. I might pump now. Hush.
Alright then. Alright.
Make him stay.
I'm going to send 200
No,
pounds.
just have a stay with Barbara. I'm just sleep.
Oh, shall I get gloves?
People to come. Make you build up
I have
some.
10 gloves already.
Gold Digger big up you know.
Ziggy, big up your badness.
Every time I'm a bad friend.
Raja big up you know man. Raja you know. Raja a good boy you know. Big up yourself you know Raja.
Big up in a Blamdem, you know.
But Raja you know what?
Why you Raja Bumbox, I'm a bad friend? No boy. No low life, Raja.
No, God, man.
No low life Raja.
No low.
Me a hypocrite.
Me know that.
Raja me content man. I watch something. Big up your badness.
Big badness, man. No father, man. Everything God.
You know respect.
The people chat we go Barbie.
Paper.
Barbie,
Listen more Billy Gubs.
Father go there.
People, he look like say Blamdem, he must stop the whole heap of cussing you know for real. You see me? He look like he must stop the whole heap of cussing and I make friends with everybody where him used to cuss and them way there. But I tell you, it's a new day, my people. You see it? Well, he must evolve at some point, you know what I mean? He must kind of level out at some point. You can't cuss everybody and malice with everybody. You see me? Then you know, go have nobody to match with and them something there. You have to just network and know say, yo, Tik Tok me there and me have to link with everybody because you know discrimination can go on here so. You know what I mean? Everybody equal. You see me? And that's a good look still. You know what I mean? That's a good look. Make you watch some more.
So they might take me down tomorrow, so we have to prove them wrong. So we have
Blamdem, remember say no.
yeah.
Remember say they may not teeth game you know.
70 if you are not that tappy money we are coming in my pocket.
Exactly, so you know.
But the money me are come from, me care about them. Remember them can't take me down, you know, because my content and my content. People love me for me cussing. And me have to put up on myself a cuss. Oh. All them mind, you know no content. I didn't care come here do a beg, man, Jayden. Jayden enough content. Man without content can't take me down. Yeah, man, no content to take me down.
Blamdem.
The first thing I'm
You know, say, I long time tell me say Pops them are some battle who come over them. You know?
Because me I tell about waste man Pops them, bro. Pops them.
Your man kiss have a slime. Them batty up.
You call me I tell the Pops the battle boy.
$1,000 bill.
The man come a page me tell me say, yo, he may say me a slime a friend. Me forgot something mother. Them next day me see him send me flyer. He man say I play match. Yes, about 3 days back him tell me say slime go suck him mother. Say do me everywhere this man. Them see him and the man play.
First I see him on TikTok.
Yard boss, me beg the lion tomorrow.
Oh, me not see him more than a person, my friend. Them can't see me, I'm too bad for them.
Beg the lion tomorrow.
Yeah.
In a match, please.
Bro, Pops a waste man. You see him build song at this man can't drop his song right now.
Yard
The man
boss,
kiss
beg
off
the
a
lion
blood
tomorrow.
Bro, me tell you, me talk laugh up with them little boy in a ziggy. Tell me, oh, bully well little boy and box him in the face.
Rosealee, my man, that Jayden. Rosealee.
I want to not organize, man.
Whole nigga big up.
When you edit that screen, you don't want to put chop.
Rich talent, me dog. Big up in a Gaza.
I sell
Gaza, they are real youth. They're not a family thing, man, me dog. Big up Gaza. Gone Gaza bad business. Whole nigga, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, no business.
Whole nigga, you know, a family thing.
Nice, pimp.
I think you want
I'm gonna tell you what, man, take it and tell you. Rosealee, if they send Rosealee, I'm here for them for one local place.
I support tongue, don't it? Maybe there's a support tongue.
Think you're right, yes, I load I'll stay the rest of seat them show we broke them down, them 2 weeks.
I lie. You're low life, Rosealee. I'm a custom place to all life.
Yo, Viggy, you talk about, you know, low life. Make Jamaica people, remember say my name Blamdem and I say make Jamaica better. So we have make we carry on Jayden and bro people in the can't have low life there. I feel like they can size up. We have a show.
No, Blamdem. Big man thing still. Me know I feel like me really carry down Jayden in a bad man. I just entertainment in a dog.
Me I carry down
no bad man is in.
Yeah, hypocrite
Nah,
then.
go on in the dog.
Yeah, hypocrite then Ziggy.
Yeah, hypocrite then Ziggy. That mean yeah.
Yo. So watch out, but a big man live dog. Ask Rosealee.
Yeah, big hypocrite in a Ziggy. Yeah, hypocrite so dog.
No, but he's in a dog, but a big man live dog.
Come like you get some there.
Ask Blamdem. Jayden, bro, Jayden call me come for take down Blamdem. Ask you, someone know Blamdem. Jayden call me. Take down Blamdem.
Rosealee, I wait for the photo. Long man dog.
You too crave Rosealee.
All the matter to them now work with them a page. Go on, man, fire.
Rosealee, you are going Rosealee. More your arm. More you line up the people them to come shoot. Tell them to come shoot for you.
No, me not do that already for me today. I'm not playing no match.
About 5 more gloves. Or 10 more gloves.
At 10 gloves, me not playing no match. And that's why I never have come here and save my kind them. Me look at the kind of have me and save it for tomorrow. That's why I never interested in playing a match.
Yeah.
The gloves are
Show them Rosealee, show them say you have your team. Let me see one who get gloves. Hold on. Yeah man, Goldie you get 1 gloves. This day you get 1 gloves. Rich talent you get 1 hammer.
Who you call your father?
Play again. Accept a match. We are shoot on the place, man. We are show them say how we name Blamdem and we come to mad them. We are going to shoot on it. We not tap shoot. We are shoot till the match done. We are shoot till the match done, people. We have to shoot them down, you know, because we can't laugh up with them. We can't make them feel like they can't fight.
So we say Blamdem, like how the boy did and go on with you the last time. We say you plan thing, you show him up night and tomorrow bad man because you have to do him something this time now. Show him say, oh, badness are keeping a dog our friend and rich, you know.
Yeah man, we are show him up, man. And show up my fat up my pocket.
Show up who?
Yeah man.
Let me take him down.
Yeah.
I'm a bad friend.
A public A9.
Alright people, so let me know what you think. We are gonna watch some more, you know what I mean, and then we are gonna go over Blamdem and this up the lion man, you know what I mean, and I talk about squash and why him nah this squash no more.
Christ. A public A9.
Rosealee, how are you there, Rosealee?
But they are ultra.
I invite me. Here was.
Why they come here, son? Can the table dirty?
Them still have a wife.
Look, you know, long me no come at Jamaica Gaelcha. About 2 times I got Elcha, me Liver town.
We can say
You
that.
know like Blamdem, you come a cartel show and sell craving here. People them see you Blamdem.
Yeah.
Remember say we have to hustle now, Ziggy.
Tell the people them say you that sell craving here, man. A cartel call the name and say Blamdem. Blamdem.
But Ziggy, we have to hustle sometimes.
You tell no like paying a Blamdem.
Yeah, me have to hustle, Ziggy. Me have to hustle. You can't pray me.
Nah, spray you. Yeah, this guy is it right. You see, because them not come and sell craving here.
Eh? Yes,
A vybz can't tell me about it, name.
Jamaica time, eh?
Vybz can't tell me about out your name.
Yeah, man, I mean, them Blamdem, and me come for mad them. I Blamdem, and me come for mad them. People love me, me never condemn. Me talk facts, me no lie on them. Spend the wheel, lie on them. One gold digger badness.
You know the song? You know the song?
Sing it, I'll go with that. I'm one stop.
Me talk facts, lie on them. Spend the wheel there.
Dad know me song, you know me song, Rosealee.
Wow. Yeah, that my daughter.
Tell him to sing it for me, tell him to sing it.
Come sing the song for Blamdem. Come sing it now.
And them, when me call you and I get in the Rosealee, and them always answer.
Brother, you have to go back. More have to go back. My dad, here to me, isn't it? Put them in a to go back. Then 250, put them in a to go back. Yeah, man, separate. Yeah.
That's what I said, my dad, put them fish in a 2 go box. Raja.
Honest life.
Raja, yourself, you put in a 2 box.
Me and you, one of me and one of you. Remember your uncle touch you?
That boy a batty boy, man. You go on, man.
You know, come sing the song, Shanta for Blamdem.
Shanta, you don't have to get thank me. Right?
Sing the song.
People don't feel enough to argue with batty, man. And let me tell you, say, they want to fuck you.
Yo, you can't troublemaker, brother.
No, but you can't argue with batty, man. I tell you, no people, you see? You see, man, you can't argue with them.
Your uncle touch your Blamdem.
Yeah, what I say?
Why
I'm bringing that what you call him.
Blamdem,
Tell me to me, I one of them like him, you know.
the whole internet don't say your uncle bust up your back.
You know, sing the song.
Alright, go on now, Raja. Anything you say? But make sense of them.
Am I on this? So, come a stallion.
Then me tell if people don't know me now with people I can't already.
Him fish are you. Bumbo class.
Yeah, Shanta, if you can sing a song now, Rose. Me I listen on my bar.
I don't like it.
Come near to your phone and Shanta, make you hear now.
Send you in the alignment.
No worry.
Celebrity at our best.
Big up yourself, man, Shanta. I want Shanta.
One Rosealee.
That little black thing I was shout.
Blamdem Shanta hate you.
No, man, he rate me, man. Enter Rosealee did and he answer Rosealee phone in chat.
Honest life.
You can't tell me nothing about Shanta. But Rosealee, me say the reside no come at your party.
Can I go give him now?
Rich talent to get one gloves. Well, they get one smoke. You get the smoke so to black his score.
Play plastic off. What do you want to do? You know what them there? See them look and then they want to wash with the hot water.
Exactly. You just have to them, you know?
Yo, Blamdem.
Yo.
Rosealee nice. You understand? Look what I'm doing. Nice, you know, I'm a lover, I like them. Art.
Still Blamdem.
Yes. You have to win over. You have to go through a whole heap to win over Rosealee. Win over. She nice. You understand? But you know what? All cross night. All big whale.
Jalisa, big up yourself. Jalisa, big up yourself, no Jalisa.
Mar.
So what is spice there?
You don't even know why I picked the name. But Mar.
How's your name?
Bar.
Shanta.
I boy named Bar and she named Shanta. The girl named Shanta.
Oh, you know it was fitting the man like in our family.
Yeah, me in our family. That's true. But Rose, no, me can't tell me cuss him tomorrow though. Rosealee. Me not hear somebody I say yo Pani say the reason nobody not come your party because say your cousin people gonna save you to feed them next day. Eh? Me say your cousin people gonna save you to feed them. When then you
follow people on the internet no matter with them foolishness.
Blamdem, I them do was Rosealee nice, Rosealee kind, Rosealee.
So Rosealee, Ross, big up.
I want to tell Blamdem.
So Rosealee, what make nobody not come to your party? Hey Rose. Why nobody not come to your party?
Blamdem. I Shanta keep passing that me. I mean, I eat me fish. Me no want to talk about that. That gone past that.
Shanta keep party and nobody not come. I call you cast nobody if not come.
Hey, my people, if you keep a party in your community and nobody no come still, a little bit of people coming up. That sure say nobody no F with you, you know. You better know that and learn and know how to move, because them no like you. You see what I say? And plus, it's a local picnic party. You know how the local picnic them are going to show out? If I look up in the party I keep in our community, especially in our ghetto, you know the little picnic them a show about. First of all, them bait from early and pack up in your yard because they want the ice cream and them something there. And then the big people them you go see them a stroll in later on. So the party I go pack. You know what I mean? How do you man? Boy, Rosealee, watch yourself. That's all I can say.
Contact people never do a party. They want to left a little girl and I'm just here.
No, are you me that talk to? Me not trouble little girl. Are you me that talk to? Shanta my bestie. But the boy Jake, still me chat to him go at me and my friend. And a person in cuss. And for live in cuss me. People, big up Jakes. So Jakes now come Jakes up already today.
That bridge.
Big up my friend Jakes. Jakes are me charge. Jakes. I want Jakes. Them him no cap. Jakes. A bad man. Jakes. No boy no rampage. Jakes. Yeah, Jakes a good. I'm a dog man, me rate him man. Jakes don't say me no mean nothing for you. Jakes don't say me a chow man.
Yeah man, Jakes cool for chow man.
You know me tell say man cool bro. Yo. You see if some man they love them woman.
Little girl.
You see if some man they love them woman like how Jakes love Rosealee, he roll them better.
True, cause on a big man level. When your father tell her and Jakes lick in her face because she fat, you know. But that blood now kill her, you know. Yeah.
Rosealee, you make Ziggy attack here, so.
Me and Jakes a friend.
Yeah. Friend far away.
Far away there. But me and I start far.
Okay.
You want principal?
Nice sometime, and I tell a lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you want him to go.
Save the Rosealee them for tomorrow.
Blamdem.
Yo.
The people them say, don't hold back like the last time. Can you tell the people them about don't shoot, you know?
Yeah man, I go make them shoot out. Yeah, me not tell them that they'll shoot everything man.
Put up with something.
Me not laugh man.
Don't move that. Put up here.
A big match man.
One paper. Look, where do you say? Where do you from the Hawaii?
Don't shoot them down later, man.
But them come give about 3 kitten.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll make it top 10 near list.
Respect, man, respect.
You know, see that too? Shoot all more.
Ungrateful.
I post the Blamdem in this side about the boy.
You know, see it, my mommy ungrateful. That's why I did me thinking.
What?
But I'm not going to blame them.
They get one time, man.
I'm working to Blamdem. I have money now. Come give me one.
They get one time, a rich talent, they get one glove.
I'm rich talent, I'm poor now. I'm going to get $150 US dog. Come on,
no, man, I chop me, man. Again, no say I joke, man. I'm grateful, man.
Pops, why you say rich? And about 5K come here.
Bro, Ziggy, listen to me. Pops a capper, bro. You know, realize if I didn't get the number 1 a week, I that from that time I become money they run up and down with.
Huh?
I take that money my hype with and I go like a chopping, man. Pops a capper, bro. Alright, more show no say Pops a capper. All along in I put no money now. Was he come number 1 on TikTok? He have money for hype. I take that money my hype with people. If that make Pops using crayfish brain pound, Pops a capper. You see money when get off I number 1 off I TikTok the other day. I hit him a jar up and down with. If you no check it, look. 1 million kind he get a week. And look. 1 million kind that are 5,000 US. So and 5,000 US times 150. That's about 900,000. Let me check it right now. So and 800,000 you have in your hand. Pops say a cap and me check me can look. I hit him a jar up and down with people and the hype.
You have them left that no man?
No, I have to make it people know say my capper. So that make Pops trick on look. 5,000 times 150. 750,000 that. Plus he make like a chain, so about 800,000. Pops say a capper. Capper up and down, he might shoot music video. He might do everything with the little money. Friday. I shoot music video, I drop on in a buck to a car. Pops say a capper you. You cap till a twist.
Rock away. Get your space from a chat, please.
2 more rows, my people.
That bridge. Chat, get your speed, chat.
Next Pops trick on the Pops now, chop a dollar. Right now I got jail for.
Get your speed.
Wait. Right now I got jail for something we not do. Tell like boy my chop and nothing no go so. And him I got jail for chopping now.
Him fill your court?
No must. Pops, he man a chop and him a got jail. Imagine I got prison for something we you not do.
5 more people, 5 more. 4 more.
Imagine I got prison for something we you not do. Eh? Imagine that. What is that, Pops?
He'll have to take the crap for little girl.
Bueno.
What do you like that? No one get upset.
One dance about this cinema.
Hey boy, who fall off guide, man? Who fall off guide, man?
We Jerry Cross, big up.
Show his face for a reason.
Listen, Jamila, let me tell you why I'm the president. I have never ever shown my face on TikTok. Never ever. And I come number 1 in the US. I even build a brand new account. And I come number 1 on it. Just because I want to go in the JA ranking. And I leave.
So what do you do to, please tell me your strategy. Tell me what do you do to the people.
Up to number 1 in 15 minutes.
Tell my people, get to number 1 right now.
I go to number 1 in 5 minutes. Not even one match. I come number 1 in. No official match, no nothing, just a regular day. And I become number 1 in Jamaica. So I'm the president. Okay? Wow. And I'm not the one who called myself president. They gave it to me. Okay?
They're saying it's true. It's true.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, so if I asked you to show me your face, would you not show me your face?
I can't because it's for a reason, because that's
no, I'm saying, like, will you send me a picture of your face on Instagram or no?
I can't do that because you could get famous by exposing me. Blamdem, never. What the hell?
But I was
In fact, never mind. I don't want you to show me because that's imagine something happens and then you think it's me. I don't want it to happen. You guys, 12 roses, 12 roses. 12 roses.
Every day they come with a new picture. This is Blamdem. This is Blamdem. Every day.
Oh, I will never do that, my brother. I will never expose you. What the heck? That's me. That's crazy. If you don't want to be seen, you don't want to be seen. You guys, we can't even get 12 roses? Honestly, at this point, Blamdem, I'm about to crash out.
Oh, really?
Yes, please. Can we get 12 roses?
Yeah, and JJ, see if we give them.
You guys, 5 more roses.
Make sure you come and match tomorrow, no fam.
What match? You got 5 roses, 4 more, 3 more.
I got a match with Jayden.
I swear to God, oh my goodness, we got it, Blamdem. God bless. Yes, thank you, every single person. Okay, you got a big battle tomorrow.
I got a big battle tomorrow at
Hey, I one thing do, you know. Every chance Blamdem get, you know, him bring down the lion man, you know. Come like I'm favorite somebody that we bring down to us. Yeah, like every chance the man get him bring down the lion man. Cha, boy. I tell you.
Okay, well I followed you, so I'm gonna come watch.
Okay, come watch. I have a big match at 8 p.m. America time and 7 o'clock Jamaica time.
8 p.m.
8 p.m. America time.
Okay, I'm gonna be there. Okay. I'm gonna be there, inshallah. I'm gonna watch. You guys, can we please get ×3? ×3, you guys, ×3. Can we please use it? Oh my goodness, Eliasa, over top 10. Self-made. Now you listen, me, I cannot beat you. You got to win after you said that you're a president and everything.
Huh?
After you told me you're president, you cannot lose against me. Tell your people to play.
No, I'm sorry, they're saving the gift for tomorrow.
Okay, so how do you feel about tomorrow? You excited? How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm excited. They saying you're police. I like that.
Huh?
They're saying that you're police. And you could shoot for me. Thank you. Will you shoot for me? If we're in trouble?
We are gonna see. We're gonna see. Wait, who's the person you're playing against?
Jayden. He's a disgrace to Jamaica. What do you do?
Wait, I think I know Jayden.
Does he
know Pops YG? Pops and Jayden fought, right?
Pops is let me explain to you about them. Pops is Jamaican capper. He caps, and Jayden is he eat for Jamaica. He thought like he eat pum pum, and he said that he feel up. They put a bottle. He put slime. Put a bottle in his pants, and Jayden touch it. They do all sort of manner evil. Jamaica don't like that.
Man with man.
Man with me. Yeah, that's what they do.
Oh,
they didn't do that. And he put brush in his behind.
Oh no, Blamdem. Rusk. F1. Okay, yeah, well that's crazy.
So I'm going against him. So what's on the top? Say no, I would drop that. They would have dropped it cloud. Nobody no drop nothing, bro. I would just drop it cloud a while ago.
So wait, so you're not friends with Pops YG?
I'm not friends with none of them. But I play with them to make money. But I'm not friends with them. They nasty. They naughty guys. I know them off TikTok, but I'm not friends with them.
In real life, yeah. Do you have a girlfriend, Blamdem?
Yeah.
No. You have to welcome.
No, I don't have a girlfriend because what happened? No one's want me, so I'm trying to get a girl off here. Can you be my soulmate?
Can you be my soulmate?
You're sweet.
Wait, but no, I just met you, Blamdem. I cannot be your soulmate.
Snipe me paper.
I don't know.
Snipe so me can get the gloves. Shoot. Wanna snipe so me can get the gloves.
Do not let them snipe you guys.
Snipe,
we need
snipe,
gloves.
snipe so me can get the gloves. Snipe.
Allah. Blamdem. Godson, brother. Thank you. Eliasa Habibi W, you got a boosting love and you got a booster. Self-made tycoon, you got a magic mist and you got a hammer. Isa, thank you. Every single person, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it so much. Every single person. www. Blamdem.
Yeah.
Me, I cannot be your wife because I just met you today.
We could work. We're gonna work out. We're gonna talk.
Me, I'm also Muslim, Blamdem. We don't do stuff like that, Blamdem.
Oh, you're Muslim. Oh.
Yeah. Do you see that? Can you see me or no?
I see you, but what? But I want to be in the Muslim.
You see this on my head?
I want to be in the family. No problem. Can you invite me there?
Okay, so Are you going to wear a scarf too or no?
No problem. I have no problem doing it. Just because of you.
I'm joking. The men don't wear scarves, only the women.
Oh.
Yeah. But you know what this means? Nobody can see my hair.
No problem. Will I see it though?
Well, my husband can see my hair. If you make it to that point.
No problem. I'll yeah.
No, but somebody tell me that you got 7 wives, 7 girlfriends.
They're lying.
Eliana, Habiti, welcome. No, they said, look, can I ask you about somebody?
Oh, ask.
Okay, they said, who's Shelly?
Listen, let me tell you this. Listen, don't listen to those comments. What they're trying to do, they're trying to cause.
They told me that you, hey, is Ivany your girlfriend? Ivany, my friend. Me, I cannot be your girlfriend. No.
No, Ivany's not my girlfriend.
They just told me Ivany and, hey, no, guys, you know you're gonna get me. I'm not gonna say that one. Stop.
Block them. Yo,
yeah, I'm gonna block.
People,
I'm gonna block them. No, if they don't say something nice, don't worry. I'm gonna block them because me, I know about the Jamaican community.
They're lying, man. They don't want me see. They don't want to see me with you. They're bad mind.
I have no problem with you. Blamdem. Me, you don't do nothing to me. You become my friend today.
Thank you so much. You're beautiful, and don't let anyone tell you that I'm not a good person. Okay.
Oh, I won't. Don't worry. We'll battle all the time. You guys, 10 roses. Shamim.
What state are you in?
Vanny is his friend. Okay. No, that makes sense. Vanny, I really like Vanny. Her and I have been friends for a long time.
So, Blamdem I say, him not trouble squash because through them whole lamp on him and him lock up and ray. You see me? So, Blamdem actually have hard people. Yeah, him actually have, way to say now, sympathy. You know what I mean? But remember, him and them used to be friends, you know. Him and Squash them used to good. So maybe I look a friendship part they chip in a way. Or maybe he might look and say the same thing can happen to him. You know what I mean? So I don't want to think. I want some more.
You guys, 5 roses. 5 roses. So wait, I have a question. So do the people that get rent and stuff, do they lie in Jamaica? Because remember that whole thing that happened with Pops?
Listen, you see Pops YG?
Yeah,
alright, Pops YG lie that he's a chopper. Chopper mean you're, chop guy. So Pops lie. Pops don't even have a guy named Bokto, which is his manager, gave him a Mercedes to drive. And
so he can't afford it himself?
No, he's broke. Pops lie. And listen, the other day Pops came #1 in Jamaica. And he withdraw the money and run around with it like he's a chopper, like he's some chop nigga guy that he scammed the money. Lying. And what happened? Nothing like that happens. It's a Tik Tok money. So he make music video, he come on live with the money, drive around with the money, act like it's his money, and nothing like that. Pops capper. Pops broke. Oh. Pops don't have shit in his body.
Damn, people were telling me that. They were telling me don't trust them and stuff like that. Eliasa Habibi, thank you. Allah. Thanks. Eliasa.
And Jayden.
WW, oh, green leaves.
Do you know the paintbrush?
Rasclat, thank you. Huh?
Do you wear makeup? Do you ever wear makeup?
Yeah, right now I'm wearing makeup. You want to see me?
You see the makeup that you put on, the brush you use on your face? Yeah. Jayden putting it behind the brush part. I swear to God. So they call him Brushy. So because the people are laughing at him, what he do is he put Brushy in his bio. So if you go in his bio right now, look, let me show it to you. Look, they're dirty people. Jamaica don't like them. We don't like them though. So when you see them on our views, it's some delusional people like them. No real people like them. There's some bunch of balonies. They're a bunch of balonies. They're no good people.
Ivany said true.
Yeah,
Ivany. Yeah, I trust you, Ivany. Oh, Rasclat.
They're a disgrace to Jamaica society. Look at him. Look at his bio. What you see there?
Yeah, it says, oh.
What you say there?
Brush boss. No, are you joking? Are you
what
being
he's
serious?
saying is, he's saying he's proud to put the brush in his behind. He's proud of it. So what Jamaica is this Commonwealth country. So that means, what's the word? Commonwealth, I don't remember the word.
Commonwealth, yeah, it's part of like the UK and everything, yeah.
We don't like those type of people. And that nigga hide in his house and do all sort of bullshit. And they're looking for him down there because he's doing nasty thing and they don't like him. Yeah, I'm telling you. They're a disgrace and they're no good. I'm telling you, man. We in Jamaica, we hate him. Because you know people are gonna always love him no matter what he do. So you have some girls that really love what he do. So it's always like that. Some people are gonna love him and some not gonna love him. So that's how it is. But the real people.
Wait, what happened about a baby? Who lost a baby?
That nigga never had a baby. He lied. Nothing like that. That nigga come put on a show for the media to lie. He's like a correct.
Did he make somebody lose a baby?
Nothing like that. He lied. They lie. They lie about that. That's how he is. He lie about everything.
That's clad. Eliasa Habibi, thank you. Green Leaves, thank you. If you got a boosting glove. Muhammad Ahmed, thank you. Everyone, thank you. Well, brother, that's crazy. I don't know how. So wait, is this normal? The Jamaican community was tea.
Let me tell you about. That's why they call me the president, because I'm here. I make a change. I disrespect those type of people. So when they come here, when they come and they do this, me disrespect them. I run them way. I make them.
Wait, who's Fabi? Who's Fabi?
A transmission girl that he was dating. The girl is a transmission and he date the girl.
Eliasa, thank you. Wait, okay. Well, wow. Well, damn.
But Jayden likes transmission.
So that's not allowed in Jamaica? Green Leaves, thank you. That's not allowed in Jamaica?
That's worse than unaliving someone.
Damn.
Lord
have mercy. Lord have mercy. Hey.
Jayden is a disgrace.
Champion, thank you.
Oh.
Wait, can I ask you about somebody? But please don't get upset. Can I ask you? They're asking me in the comments.
Oh.
Somebody says, who's Squash?
All right. I'm going to be honest with you. That's a dancehall artist. But listen, they don't like me for what the people is trying to do, trying to bring up their name. But the guy is in jail. And I don't want to keep being on his name, making it look like that I'm trolling him.
Okay, never mind. I don't know anything about him.
I don't wish jail or death on no one.
No, never mind. I don't know anything about him. Shout out to you, brother.
So that's why don't listen to them. I used to troll him, but I stopped because I realized it's getting serious. He's going to jail. Stuff started happening to him. So what I do, I stop trolling him. So what they're trying to do, they're trying to get me to keep doing it, and I'm not doing it.
No, don't troll him. Okay. Honestly, free the brother.
I don't risk jail on no one. No one.
Free the brother.
I don't care about that guy. So
yeah, free him. You guys, four more roses. Free the brother.
Don't talk about that, okay?
I respect that. My bad.
Let him do his time in peace. Don't let me. I'm not gonna be the one to be trolling him, making out his friends mad at me, and think let it moving forward. So don't listen to them. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No. WWW. You guys, every single person that's here being messy, to the left, to the left.
And I'm trying to change it. I do music producing. I produce a lot of big songs. I get a hit song like 3 weeks ago in Jamaica. It's running everywhere in Jamaica. Richard, you want to hear the song?
Sure, let's play it.
Let me play it. It's a big song in Jamaica. Everyone love it. It's running Jamaica right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's really a good song.
Nappy Habibti, welcome. You guys, I don't know nothing about nothing. Listen, I'm not even.
Don't let them get you involved in foolishness.
Yeah. I appreciate you. Thank you, Blamdem. Thank you for looking out for me.
Serious stuff going on, and they're trying to get me to troll someone that is in jail. That's not nice.
Oh yeah, that's not nice.
They like bullshit too.
Yeah, Ivany, thank you, my love. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah, but come me answer because if you are
Meridian said funny something that so which one of them can beard with?
All of them. All of them.
So this is Blamdem and Emmanuel from the soap factory and all that. And him are the most outspoken person in the soap factory where he really socialize like that. You see me, so it look like Blamdem order a package from him and him might tell him like the type of soap them are with them good for. You see it. But Blamdem want to go back to school, man. Because Blamdem can't no wrinkles. Blamdem can't pronounce wrinkles of blood clot. You want to go back to school? So we go watch some more people.
So where peppermint one for?
Down there make you feel cool, brother. But you're not foreign, so you don't need to feel cool.
No, man, it's not a foreign, me the cold Florida, so me want it. Where this one from?
Down there, garlic man, good for yeast infection.
Hey, girl, them are sick, and the man them are sick.
Well, the girl them are sick. Me don't know what about the man them still. But
oh, the girl them, alright. Any girl them, me smell them, me I'll give them this. Alright, so where that one here for?
Down there, good for sensitive skin.
So like people with their skins, me have some black spot in my back. Like when me not dry my back, but they good feed.
Black spot in your back?
Yeah, like you know when you have some black spot in your back.
You only need to use the black soap when you have them on the black soap.
Alright, so where this one here for?
Down there good for sensitive skin, like you can use them beard your youth.
Alright. And where that one here for my father?
Same sensitive skin.
Same sensitive, alright, so let me put them here so. Oh, so you want them name honey soap and good for sensitive skin?
No man, the one them banana smell. Like all that. Sensitive skin, same way.
Sensitive skin, same way, alright. Where this one here?
Down there good for acne.
What acne mean?
Acne and like a bump there like when you shave your face.
Oh, like when you...
Yeah.
Oh, acne. Alright, acne, face. So this one have a face. This is when you want to feel cool, peppermint. Alright, what this one here for?
Down there good for everything. So when you all in one.
All in one. Oh, everything. Where that one you good for?
Why? Me don't know that one day, no better. Me never use that one day, you know.
Beer rum. Name honey beer rum. It's for reduce pain and wrinkle and WRINKLES. Wrinkles. And BLEMISHES.
Blemishes, brother.
Great for HATR.
HATR?
So I say reduce pain on acne, wrinkle and blemishes.
Yeah. But what when you say HATR, what you mean by?
No, hold on there. So I'll spell it. Reduce pain. ACNE. ACNE.
Yeah.
So where that one have ACN. Can you play so much meanwhile? Come on,
yeah, man, come in, man.
So ACNE. What that mean?
That's acne. That's acne. That's a little bump them for your face and your
Alright. Me moving forward. So where this one here for?
That one they go to beard with, brother.
Beard with?
Down there they have the use. Down there just go to beard with.
Alright, so I will beard with this one. So where this one are good for?
That one they good for your arthritis.
Arthritis. So your heart inside, good for your so what?
No. Arthritis I went like a giant and swell up, man. Like when you get old.
Okay. Alright. And where this one here for?
Down there good for fungus.
Fungus in her head. So wash your head.
Yeah, man, them kind of thing there.
Alright then, me know now. Alright, so you want them women, I say you want them women to show at them at the dark spot.
Yeah, the one that have been.
I said panino. It is said pan the tip of me up neat. So me go continue use the wash my face and you see me? So when they bump them come out from my face, me will show people them say, you see me? Cause the dog paper. The dog thing them authentic. Authentic, you see me? Yeah, man, I tell you.
What you know? Oh yeah, but you not show your face. So how you go show them say work?
No, me go show. No, come here one before and after. Me go put more cut off half of my face and put it there. With me just draw. You understand? And then I me put before and then me put after.
So you say, them say you have premeditated crime, you know. So this you don't call that premeditated love. You see it? As if a nigga can sit down and stay so book and sit down and go through where him go through, brother. As a man, I know you still have the heart, can love, bro. But even not talk about what you can bring to the table, bro. We are talking about.
You know why?
You get me?
You know why I'm not doubt him? You know why I'm not doubt him? Him don't know who attack to him, you know, because I'm a fake page this, but Me I did the on live from a longer while. A puppy in the place, man. You see me? You never know we attack too. But they are still.
One up town.
Remember, so we did the on a live from a longer while with a bag of things are going. So from them time they till now. You see me? So I don't really doubt what you must say.
As I said, the chance a chat who can reach out to moms and make moms know the police.
Already and him they ever seen her cause the post I make she comment on it and I just him for connect up with her.
Are you for do it right, bro G?
XO go out with it up. Yeah.
Then she comment on it and ask him what's up. Now you know inbox you're supposed to reach in that inbox already.
Mama, the youth them for a smile, you see it? That be a talk about, you see the youth them for happy. Yeah, man.
Happy. You see me just want to dance, man. You see me, dog?
Yeah, man. Who fully in front of you, bro, you see it? Straight. I've heard that.
Me number still, the same business number.
They have our number too, you know, but as I say, we right.
Yeah, you can watch it now. You have to deal with them things, you know. Because remember, bro. You get me and say, you want to make things happen. You see it as a man, you see it now. I'm
going to show you something. I'm going to show you something, police. You see, you have to understand, so this is the media too, bro. You see me? You see when you have to understand, so this is a road where you have to take on. Remember, say, certain backlash follow on, you know. So you have to know say backlash are going to come back but you have to firm. You see me?
I make this clear. I'm in a business where he, she, the old lady want to say, I'm in a business about no backlash. I'm going to show you, say. You see?
No, me I show you, me I tell you, you know, because you will say so now, they never understand how they mean. Well, you understand, because as I say, today me I follow you. You see me? So me know you understand. You see how you know what the media been.
Mama, remember say one at a time, the whole media drag me, so you know, I say me I this.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point.
Right now, I'm see the media deal rougher than how people deal with me in real life.
So so you have to understand. So when it come out now to say, alright, at this, you don't have to make it. You don't have to make that bill rather than break on. You see me? It will make you stronger.
The media deal with him tough, you know what the dog tougher than the media, and then I realize, you know, who know, you see?